This video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows which are coming from the site Avpromotionb2.click. Avpromotionb2.click is a deceptive site, and if you see it, you should not interact with this website. Avpromotionb2.click claims that it is somehow related to the well-known security program. However, this information displayed by the pop-up is absolutely faulty. It is not related to any decent security program. If you see these fake alerts by avpromotionb2.click, you shouldn't interact with them. These pop-ups try to make you click on this proceed button, and if you do that, you will simply be redirected to some other malicious website that promotes a totally different software, which is correctly considered to be the potentially unwanted program. So simply leave this page and don't trust it. I would recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. And the best place to get its fresh version is on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download the program using this green download button, install the application, and then begin investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.